Let me show you the process of making your Snapchat profile public. As you all know, your Snapchat profiles are not public. That means anything that you post on Snapchat, such like stories, will only be visible to your friends. To make your Snapchat public, open up your Snapchat and head over to your Bitmoji on the top left. From here you can scroll down and under Spotlight and Snap Map, you'll see the Options tab right here. Tap on the options and you'll see Create Public Profile. Tap on this option and it's going to show you all of the benefits of creating a public profile. Tap on Get Started and tap on Create. And there you go, as easy as that, your public profile has been created. Now you can tap on this option and manage your public profile. Add in your cover, you can tap on Edit and manage a few settings. And from here you can even see all of the details of your Snapchat. So that's the quick way of making your Snapchat profile public. Give this video a like and subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be soon back with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.